Will's back, only he's downgraded his helicopter to something about the size of my hand. It's got 4 blades. It appears to be a Chinook, and danger is misspelt on the back. It says D-A-N-C-E-R, not D-A-N-G-E-R. Not that you can see that there. Take it away. Oh yeah. Oh, right. Oh. Haven't hit anything yet. And this is an indoor-only one, so Will tried flying it outside, and that didn't go so well. Just like when he crashed his 4-foot helicopter. Whoa, it's getting Oh yeah, that's good for it. That's good for it. Oh. Crashing down. Oh. Trying to land on a tough book. And there it goes. That's it. Goodbye.